Now announcing the Oprah's Favorite Things Yeti Total Package Bread Maker. Featuring a sleek 360 stainless steel finish, LCD display screen, viewing window, and copper-coated nonstick pan and accessories. Yeti's copper-coated pan is designed to make the bread evenly baked, easy to remove, and provide a healthy cooking surface. This is a true showpiece in your kitchen. Yeti's 19-in-1 bread maker easily bakes up a delicious assortment of breads with no mess and no hassle. With a touch of a button, you can enjoy fresh, soft bread for sandwiches, crunchy French bread, multigrain, sourdough, sweetbreads, and cakes, with an additional preset for yogurt, jam, and more. A simple-to-use design lets you just pop in the ingredients, select a smart program, and then sit back and relax while it rises to any occasion. And with an automatic fruit and nut dispenser, you can toss in a variety of textures and flavors to suit any palate. The Yeti bread maker is perfect for families, students, busy professionals, and anyone looking for an effortless, at-home baking experience. Get ready for fresh, warm goodness just waiting for you to indulge. Out now, the Yeti Total Package Bread Maker. Order your
Make delicious fresh-baked bread at home with Jamelli Artisan Bread Maker. It offers 21 functions for breads, starters, jams, and more. Just add your wet, then dry ingredients and top with yeast or baking soda. The simple LCD display and control knob allow you to easily make your baking selections. Customize your bread with 3 crust colors and 3 loaf sizes, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds. Use the quick access ingredient drawer to automatically add in nuts, raisins, or other inclusions at the perfect time. Monitoring your bread is easy with the top view window. Quickly see how your bread is baking without releasing any heat. When ready, remove the bread pan with the handle and slide out your delicious loaf. We've included a hook to help you remove the kneading paddle before serving. The 13-hour start delay and keep warm settings mean you can wake up or come home to fresh baked bread. The Jamelli Artisan Bread Maker. For those with a
Nothing beats the aroma and fresh flavor of home-baked bread. The West Bend high-rise 2-pound bread maker is perfect for bakers of all skill levels. You'll be baking delicious white, wheat, sweet, sourdough, and French bread in no time. This bread maker can assist with all your gluten-free baking needs. Now, gluten-free recipes require different unique settings, and many bread makers only offer basic settings, which do not produce true gluten-free breads. With its 12 auto-program settings, 3 crust colors, 2 loaf sizes, plus delay start and keep warm functions, the West Bend 2-pound high-rise bread maker allows you to have bread the way you want it. The easy-to-read LCD display and touch buttons help make the bread making process so simple. The Westbend 2-pound high-rise bread maker even has a super rapid function for preparing loaves in under 2 hours. The loaf button adjusts for either 1.5 pounds or 2-pound sizes. The color button allows you to select the crust darkness from light, medium, and dark. You can even delay starting the bread by using time plus or time minus to meet your schedule. The Westbend 2-pound high-rise bread maker comes with a durable knead blade and a non-stick traditional loaf pan for easy release of your breads and quick cleanup. The mix function is perfect for preparing doughs without yeast with no baking. With a multitude of easy programs and a simple LCD push-button control panel, the whole family will fall in love with baking and eating fresh, homemade bread.